Hi teacher, good afternoon. My name is Ana Zenet. I am a student of psychology in Cali, in Ciudad Cali. I choose a field called the black hole. I am going to show you a summary about it, okay? This field shows a worker with a strange situation, a black hole, in which he could get some benefits such as money, objects. Nevertheless, there are many risks. I mean, this field can save me many circumstances or actions in which a special balance about values like honesty, and there is an interesting aspect about money in the life. The next step is the question why I choose it. It's important for me. For example, when I choose a movie or film, recognize the value. Yes, in this case, I found a little bit information about which are my interests, my motivation when I want to make money. Okay, because I believe in our life will be many opportunities in which we will have that choose, and this is an enormous responsibility. Responsibility with our descendants and our destination. Okay. Okay, let's continue with the question according to the rubrica. Okay, the first question is how important is money for you? It's really important because if I want an excellent life, I need to make money. Okay, to help for my life, for my study. I can say, if I can define it in a person, I could say 50 to 50. I mean, we need money to have a good life, study, health, and many stuff to live. The second question, what would you do if you a black hole like the one in the Sheffield? Okay. I think if I had a black hole, I would travel to the United States to improve my English and continue my studies. In this case, for example, if I had a black hole, I would travel to the United States, I would buy a new house, a new car. Okay, number 3, is money rule all be? If so, what is it? I don't think so, because we are that hamlet, we are that used, and money is a resource to life. Okay, it's in my life, it's a resource. Okay, in the life to obtain, to getting other benefits around the life. Okay, and the question number 4, how far will go in order to make money you can make? I will not go so far. Okay, for me the most important in the life are my values, like honesty. I believe that's important. Make the life through effort and faithfulness are important if I want an excellent life or values in my life. And finally, the conclusions. I have an excellent slogan or favorite phrase by a singer. I don't remember what is the name, but it's a popular singer around the world, but I don't remember now. The phrase says, money can buy life. It's my conclusion according to the field, the black hole. Okay, the life is the more important thing that I have. In this case, the money is a resource, but isn't my life. Okay, no more, teacher. Thank you. Bye. Thank you, teacher.